Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how to get rainbow in Infinite Graph. So in order to do that, what we can do is we just need to put in here fire. And on this fire, let's head over and put in here water. Now let's merge that. Now we have steam. So for that steam, let's head over and add another element, which is another steam. And now we have cloud. So for this one, since we already have the cloud, we are really close to rainbow. So let's put in here another cloud, and then on this cloud we have in here another cloud. Now we have three clouds. So let's merge those clouds. Now we have rain. So since we already have this thing right here, let's put in here another rain, and now we have rainbow. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and we will try our best to answer. If you also want to feature us, or if you want us to feature another topic, then head over and comment that as well. See you soon.